Namaste children. Hope you are ready with your landscape work. Color. These are the transparent also. Then you just give the water flow. You don't need to do the Red plus blue, mix it, light purple color. You remember last time I've told you I have not outlined one mountain. Green mountain. Now here the bushes or grasses are there. Yes, we have many green different shades. So try to use dark green color over here. You can see this shade is little bit different than the sap green.